Hey everyone, today I'm outside in the rain. It's a little rainy right now, and these are actually my preferred conditions, either cloudy or drizzling. So I'm gonna get some work done, even though I'm tired from yesterday. But today I decided I'm going to trellis this squash. Instead of letting it sprout wide, I'm gonna try to raise it. I saw a cool technique on YouTube by Epic Gardener, and what I'll do is continue to clip the leaves at the bottom. There's quite a bit of flowers here, and there's already some that have been pollinated. So I want to keep this plant healthy, and you give me some feedback and let me know if you think I should get this out of this raised bed and put it in the ground, or is it too late? Again, I'm on this journey. I don't have all the answers, so I really need all the feedback I can get in terms of how to have a sustainable and healthy garden. Watch me work. So I've already put the pole in. I don't want to push it too hard because I don't want it to break the bag. I'm going to go ahead and remove this leaf. It's turning yellow. And then what I'm gonna do, I wonder if I need to put it closer because the root is actually over here. So let's see, maybe I'll put it this way. And then I will peel some of this off. I'm gonna try to raise it a little higher. And see, I think I want to peel. Oh, I just peeled off a flower. Shoot. I just want to peel a few more off. Okay. We're going to see if that works. I don't really want these these leaves on the ground. So let's do that. I turned it just a bit. See if that works. So now the sun can get to all of the flowers. I wonder if I should prune. I'm gonna take one more off. And I'll put this in the compost. I won't leave it here. Okay. I'll take that with me. What do you think? Also, I saw another gardener on another video. I'll find her, see if I can find her and tag her. But I saw her, she grew this off the edge of her garden bed and it scaled out into the yard, but the plant was in the bed and it took just a little bit of space. Maybe that's something I could do in this bed to not put too much weight on it because I don't want this plastic to bust, and I have 2 more of these plants. So maybe we'll guide them out and let the leaves run that way. So this is the view from the backside, and you can see all the beautiful fruits and flowers, and you could even see the hole from where my first attempt. And I'm just going to rotate it, and if you've noticed, I've put the leaves over the edge of the raised bed. And I did that so that the fruit and the flowers had access to sun and room to breathe. And of course, I did one and then I doubled back and said, you know what, let me do all three. So I found some wasted construction materials, I found some old tubes, and I went ahead and I went ahead and trellised the other two plants. I also counted all the leaves before I pruned them, and look how beautiful they are. Everything is nice, pretty, healthy, with gorgeous fruit, and I have one that hasn't fruited yet.